Do you have unexpected water damage in multiple units causing large insurance claims and unhappy tenants? With Rusco's Smart Leak Detection System, that problem becomes a thing of the past. Rusco's Smart Leak Detectors can be paired with our other smart products, like our Smart Ball Valve. Using these products together can create a smart system that will save you thousands of dollars if a water leak is detected inside your apartment building. Let's see these smart products at work. In order to get the most out of your smart products, it's a good practice to install a router or Wi-Fi extender on each floor to extend the range of the Wi-Fi. Let's take a look in one of the apartments and see where we have devices installed. You can see here we have smart leak detectors in several areas of the apartment. Any area where water could leak is a great place to put a smart leak detector. These are very small devices and run on 2 AAA batteries, so they're very easy to install. Once set up, when water is detected, these sensors send a notification to your email and phone number telling you which leak detector went off. You can also receive notifications when the battery is running low. In this scenario, a leak is detected near the washer in apartment 43. The leak detector sends a notification to you and your maintenance manager, letting you know which apartment and what leak sensor was triggered. The leak detector also sends a signal to the smart ball valve, and the smart ball valve closes, preventing any further water damage from the leak. So now the water has stopped, your maintenance person has been notified, and the issue is resolved quickly without costly repairs.